you're gonna mash 2 bananas.
Keep it in the bowl.
Now you're gonna crack 4 eggs in the same bowl that you smushed the bananas in.
And then I want y'all to pour in your flour there. Ellie, will you pour the milk in? And then mix it up real well, please.
Now that we have it mixed, we're gonna cook the pancakes.
We're gonna check it out. We're gonna put some butter on there. Take a scoop, just for easy portions. And we're gonna put it in our pan.
Wait till you see the bubbles on top of the pancake and flip on it.
All right, looking great. All right, y'all. Put it on the plate. What's your taste?
No. It's good at the end.